Would you try this trick for cleaning your paint rollers? I've shared this method before and people have come for me for many reasons, but it works a treat and I've even seen professional decorators recommend it. We all know how much of a pain it is to get rollers clean, especially after painting a big room like this, so here's how I did it. I started with a warm water rinse, no soap or anything, just running water through the rollers to get the worst of the paint off. As you can see, the water doesn't run clear, but it doesn't need to because this controversial bit is going to save you all that time and mess. After a quick rinse, I put them in the washing machine with some detergent on a 30-minute cycle, and when I tell you they come out so clean and dry, I mean it. I didn't put anything else in the machine with them, and now they're completely free of paint. So let's take a look to prove just how clean they come out, and as you can see, they are sparkling, pretty much good as new and ready to use almost straight away. And because of this trick, I now reuse rollers a lot more rather than buying new to save myself the hassle of the cleanup, and they stay really soft too. And no, my washing machine isn't damaged or covered in paint. So would you give this method a go?